Welcome back to another video. Hey guys, what's up? For today's topic, we will be tackling on how to fix standby mode when it's not working on iOS 17. Standby mode is one of the features when updating to iOS 17. To fix the problem when it's not working, try to restart this feature. To do that, open Settings app and then go to the standby option on the settings. Now turn off the button beside the standby and turn it on again. Try rebooting your phone and see if it works. Also, make sure that the portrait orientation lock is disabled to enable this feature. Then go ahead, lock your phone and keep it horizontally. Then plug in your charger to your device. Now, check if the standby mode is now working. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.